In this video, I am going to show you how to install a ThemeForest theme on WordPress using a simple step-by-step method. Before we begin, I want to share something helpful for anyone who works with WordPress themes. If you often download themes from ThemeForest and still feel limited when customizing your site, you should try Divi from Elegant Themes. Divi gives you a full visual builder that lets you design your website by dragging and dropping sections. It removes many of the restrictions that come with traditional themes. You can find a link in the description to try Divi at a great price with a full refund guarantee if you do not like it. Now let us start. First, open your browser and go to ThemeForest on the Envato Market website. In the search bar at the top, type the name of the WordPress theme you want. You can also browse by categories on the left side if you are not sure which theme you want yet. When you find a theme that matches your project, click on it. This will open the theme details page. Here you can read the description, look at the features, check the demo preview, and see what is included in the download. Take your time to make sure it is the right theme for your site. Once you are ready to download it, make sure you are logged into your Envato account. Then click the download button. You will see several download options. Choose the one that says Download all files and documentation. This will give you a full zip file with everything the theme needs. After the file finishes downloading, go to your computer and open the zip file. Inside, you will find several items. One of these will be another zip file that contains the actual WordPress theme. Do not unzip that one. That is the file you will upload to WordPress. Now, open your WordPress dashboard. On the left side menu, go to Appearance and then click Themes. When the Themes page opens, click the Add New button at the top. Then click Upload Theme. A box will appear asking you to choose a file. Click Choose File and select the theme zip file that was inside the download from ThemeForest. After selecting it, click Install Now. WordPress will upload the file, extract it, and install the theme for you. When the installation is finished, you will see a button that says Activate. Click Activate to make the theme active on your website. At this stage, many premium themes will also ask you to install required plugins or import demo content. You can follow any on-screen prompts to complete these steps. After everything is installed, you can go to the Customize menu or the theme's own settings panel to begin designing your website. Each ThemeForest theme is a little different, so refer to the documentation included in your download if you need help. That is how you can install a ThemeForest WordPress theme using a simple step-by-step method. Before we finish, I want to remind you again that if you want more design freedom than what most ThemeForest themes provide, Divi from Elegant Themes is a great option. You build pages visually, and you do not need any code to create professional layouts. The link is in the description where you can try Divi at a great price, and you can request a full refund if you do not like it.